Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall the WinZip here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear and please proceed on open once it's appearing here at the window. So you would be redirected to the window where you can see the control panel items. All you need to do is you need to close all of this notification about the WinZip first. Okay, so we just have to close everything before we proceed. Once everything are closed, please navigate to programs and features. Okay, let me just close this as well. Please navigate to the programs and features. Sorry for that. So here at the programs and features, you need to locate for WinZip. So it is being placed at the last. All you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper left side of that where you can see they're installed beside the organized. All you need to do is you need to click on yes. If it will ask you to confirm your action on the uninstallation of this WinZip under the Carl Corporation. Okay? So it's now preparing to remove. You just have to wait until it will be completely removed here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the removal or the uninstallation of this WinZip application. So please wait for a while since it's now configuring the WinZip removal, okay? So you can now minimize this pop-up window so that we can focus on the installation of this WinZip. So once it is being removed, meaning that we have successfully uninstalled it. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.